guys, what's up? It's your girls, Twin Goddesses, and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another unit for you guys featuring WowAfrican. So if you're interested in anything in the video that you're going to be seeing, it's going to be linked down below for you guys in the description area. But anyways, y'all, WowAfrican decided to send me this unit this time around. I've been taking a lot of your suggestions. Some of you guys have been saying that you don't want to do anything too major. You pretty much like specific styles straight out of the box. You don't want to have to do any extra work, even when it comes down to adhering the unit down. So what I found was this beautiful 13 by 4 inch 180% density curly lace front wig with the bang in the front. So you can choose to adhere the lace down if you want to wear it out of your face. However, if you're just one of those get up and go type of people, you want to just throw a wig on, you do not have to do anything about the lace. You don't have to lay it, you don't have to put baby hairs, none of that. The bang is going to cover up the entire front, and you still have a bunch of styles to put this unit in. But first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and get this hair nice and clean. Okay, so you guys, you can see the hair is nice and clean, and look at how those curls look right after you wash it. The hair is nice and full and it's extremely soft, and I didn't get much shedding. But what I'm gonna do as far as styling, I really want to get those curls to pop, so I'm starting off with even more water and using this detangling brush to get the hair nice and detangled. This is how it looks. There's still a lot of body and movement, but now I'm going to take my curl maker gel. As you guys can see, you do not need that much because we're really not looking for a crunchy feel. We want it to look nice and defined, but not too hard. So I like to take a couple pumps, go through the hair with my fingertips, and I like to turn the detangling brush sideways just to get those curls to pop.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this love. You know you're nasty, Don't move around in my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this pill, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. So let's get naughty on. Yeah, I need all ya.
So it's the next day and the hair is fully dried. There is a bit of a cast on the hair, so all you really have to do is just kind of shake it out. But you guys, these are the curls that the curl maker created, especially while using that detangling brush. The curls are very, very voluminous. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and get the wig on and then get that lace cut off. So now that the lace is removed, what I like to do is just kind of take my fingertips and go through the hair, just kind of getting rid of that crunchy cast feeling because there was a little bit of a cast left over. I also like to take my wide tooth comb and just go through the root area just to give this hair some more volume, even though it's already extremely voluminous, y'all. And this is how it looks. I really like this style. Some of you guys were asking us to do more shorter styles styles. Is this considered short to you? It is 14 inches. However, of course, curlier hair does shrink much shorter, so this 14-inch falls at my collarbone. And here is the movement, the back, that density. Oh my god, it's like 180% density. It is perfect. Again, y'all, it has a lot of body, a lot of movement. It's quite soft if you don't put too much gel on it. But right here, I'm going to show you guys a few styles, because again, even though this is just a quick and easy throw on and go wig, it is very versatile. So let me know what style you like the best.
I mean the way you like. Time. Girl, you know I'm my time. Baby, can you handle it? Romantic with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasies. Yeah. Girl, you know I'm my time. Tell me, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasies. Yeah, you know I'm my time. Yes, I'm my time, girl. Give me slow wine for the rest of my life. Cause I know places we need to go, and I know things we need to do. And I don't see us breaking up when all I do is fiend for you. And if you don't believe in love, well, I have something for you. We can go to Africa, teach you how the streets move. I don't want to lose you. Tell me what you won't do, cause I do anything for you. Anytime rise the queen salute me. Nowadays girls them really
Yeah, that last style was not giving. But anyways, y'all, let me know what style you prefer. I actually prefer the way that it came out of the box, just like this. I think it's very classy. It's very minimal. I think that it is perfect for the fall. It is also perfect for the summer if you're still in heat like we are. However, let me know what you guys think of this little cutie right here. I think that is perfect. Again, it comes from WowAfrican.com. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.
Wallaby stepper, dandada, more money, bank crabber, wallaby stepper.